Imagine needing the same function to greet different people. Instead of hard coding one name, we use a parameter, a placeholder that can receive different information. Now, the same function can greet anyone. The function stays the same, the function stays the same, the information changes. The parameter is the placeholder. The argument is the actual value you pass into it. That's the real power of parameters. One function can handle different information without rewriting the function itself. Search boxes, payments, and product pages all use the same idea. The function stays the same, the parameters change. Functions define the task. Parameters create the placeholders. Arguments provide the actual information. We've learned how to send information into a function. But how do we get a result back?